And happy birthday.
And happy birthday. All right, let's check in with Carson Meredith right now. People want to know what that 4th of July forecast is going to be like.
I think we can say hot, but what else?
Maybe a little stormy, guys. Depending on where you are, it's not going to be a washout. No need to cancel your cookouts or your fireworks. It's just classic summertime weather in Alabama. That's it. Let's show you what's happening on the Way 31 Skycam network on this Thursday morning. We're in the low 70s in most spots. A little bit more cloud cover as you head out the door. We did have a few showers in Madison and Morgan County last night around 1 o'clock in the morning, but that's long gone. And we are dry here at 648 on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. But I do expect more of those thunderstorms to bubble up during that peak heat of the day this afternoon. If you don't see storms today, well, you're back in the 90s once again. 19th straight day, by the way, that we've had highs in the 90s. We'll call 91 to be our forecast high. You see it'll be 90 degrees by 2 o'clock and still in the mid 80s by 6 o'clock this evening. Here we go with future radar. Today is virtually a carbon copy of what we saw yesterday as far as the coverage of those storms as well as how strong they are. So here we go by noontime. If you're going to be heading out for lunch, maybe 1 or 2 showers just starting to get going at noon today. You see that coverage is just a little bit more widespread by 3:30, but in general, a lot of us are dry and a lot of us will stay dry today. But if you do see any storms, we'll have the chance for some heavier downpours that last for 15, 30 minutes or so, and maybe some wind gusts around 30 to 40 miles per hour, but we are not concerned today about severe weather. Watch what happens though this time tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock Friday. Models have been very, very consistent on showing a few thunderstorms during the morning commute tomorrow. Nothing severe, but obviously any kind of rain during the morning drive is going to be a problem. So we'll watch that closely about 24 hours from now. And then looking ahead to Friday afternoon, more of the same story with those pop-up showers of storms, but a bit higher coverage, a 40% chance for those scattered storms on Friday. Let's look ahead to the 4th of July weekend. Really, this stagnant weather pattern continues. It will still be warm, high temperatures in the low to mid 90s, still muggy, feels like temperatures upper 90s, close to 100 degrees, and that chance for a few pop-up storms Saturday, Sunday, and for the 4th itself on Monday. But again, it will not be a complete washout, just a 30% chance. So don't cancel outdoor plans. Just make sure you have somewhere to go inside if one of those storms pops up where you are as you celebrate the 4th of July. Rainfall forecast, 1/4 to 1/2 inch in general, but you see those blue colors in Jackson and DeKalb County. That's where we might see closer to 1 inch of rain in northeast Alabama. That again over the next 7 days. If you're looking for any relief in the heat, the humidity, or the storms, I've got some bad news for you. There's not much. Temperature outlook through July 10th. All of that red across the U.S. means we will likely stay above average with those temperatures, which means it will stay humid and we'll keep those thunderstorm chances around through much of the first half of July. 7-day forecast shows that 30 to 40% chance for a few of those hit and miss storms each and every day. High temperatures in the 90s, overnight lows in the 70s.